We are at 8351 Agave Bloom. This house is so pretty. It has 4,000 square feet of home and it has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms.
This is definitely an entertainer's dream home. It sits on over 15,000 square feet of property and it's got a large RV garage and a big, beautiful backyard with a covered patio.
As you can see, it has upgraded cabinets and countertops. So what we're gonna do is jump right in.
We are at 8351 Agave Bloom. We are in the upper west side of Las Vegas. It's a great location here. This is the neighborhood. This one has a 3-car garage. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. And the RV parking. It's a large RV parking. I'll show you guys here in a second in the backyard. So we are gonna go inside right now, see this lovely great room. It does have a courtyard right here too. They put some lights in it, which is really nice. So you can see the lights here. This is a large courtyard area. And then we're gonna go right inside.
pretty. It has tall ceilings. It's single story. It is in the Tully Springs Estates.
This home is in the Upper West Side of Las Vegas with easy access to the 215 or the 95 freeway. This home is inside of a gated community with an HOA of $142 a month.
And it's also by Lee Canyon where you can go skiing up there. They have lifts and you can enjoy the snow. So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and RV parking. So if you want to know more about this, go ahead and message us down below. Our information is also down below as well. So you can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.